today's video, I'll demonstrate how we incubate our farm eggs. I'll give you some good tips on what you should do before incubating your eggs, what factors you should consider when selecting eggs for incubation, and finally, what are the required temperature and humidity are. My first piece of advice is that the eggs placed in the incubator should be no older than 7 days. If you only include eggs that are no older than 7 days old, you have a very good chance of hatching a large number of eggs. Number 2. The cleaning and disinfecting of eggs are extremely important. Because we raise free-range chicken layers, the eggs we produce have some dirt and marks. As a result, we clean the eggs with a vinegar and water mixture. It is also important not to apply any pressure to the eggs while cleaning them. Number 3. Before operating the incubator, it must be thoroughly cleaned and disinfected. Because you have previously used the incubator, you need to clean it before placing new eggs for another incubation process. Number 4. When putting eggs in the incubator, extreme cautions should be exercised. In order to avoid fractures in the eggs or the wasting of certain eggs. Number 5. What is the temperature and humidity we use for our egg incubation? The temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, and for our humidity, it is 60%. That is all for now. I hope this video taught you anything valuable. Please leave video requests and queries in the comment section below. Thank you for paying attention. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications if you want to be notified when we upload new videos. Bye!